We just received another glowing review from another one of our satisfied customers, and we wanted to share it with the world. Here's what they had to say. We feel great about a job well done, but we feel even better knowing our customer took the time and cared to write about their experience online and leave us a 5-star review. It is simply a win-win for us and them. Each review like this is like receiving an award of achievement, and that's inspiring. So if you're after great customer service that will cater to your needs, experience our first-rate, top-notch service today. Simply call the number on your screen if we can help you. We look forward to serving you. Thanks for watching.